I am from Kuki, Taphou.
Tell me how you were treated when you were detained.
We have been detained 27 days under the Naga village guard, where we have been well treated. Well treated. We have been provided good food, the best food available in the area. Best clothing from panties, shirts, pants, blankets, and many more. I have to say many more.
How many meals were you provided in a day?
Two meals and one tea time. There are also two tea time.
Where did you put any special kind of choice when you asked for certain kind of food?
May I have another? May you repeat the question?
Were you given any special kind of treatment, as in like any special kind of food provided to you?
Yeah. The best food available.
Did you face any challenges, or how was your time? Did you face any challenges?
Yeah. We have a great thing to learn from the Naga village girls. They have been extraordinary. They have been extraordinary, special, unique. They're
And
not.
what do you have to say to your people who has held 6 of our Naga brothers?
And facilitated the release of 14 Kuki detainees here on the basis that Nagas are culture people. We uphold war ethics, and also we respect international law on human rights. We are also considering the commitment of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji through Honorable CM of Nagaland, Dr. Nipurio, giving the assurance that the government will put all out effort to trace out and establish the status of the mission hostages of our 6 Nagas, and also taking into considerations all the appeals from the world community, World Baptist Alliance, Asian Baptist Christian Fellowships, Council of Naga Baptist Churches in Northeast India, NBC, Joint Nagaland Christian Forums, tribal hosts from Nagaland and across Nagaland, organizations, and many others, including the appeals of our Honorable CM of Magalia, Komra K. Shamma. Further, the commitments and assurance given by the state's government of Manipur that they will put all effort and trace out the status of and establish the status of the mission hostages and reduce within certain time-bound manner. With this, today, the United Naga Council, in consultations with all the stakeholders, facilitated the safe release of the 14 Kuki detainees here and handed over to the district administrations, police, and security forces before the public. Thank you.